So how does streaks affect your capital? The presence of streaks and your risk per investment go hand in hand in affecting your capital. If your risk is too high, your strategy will be unsustainable in the long run. Because the combination of high risk plus a losing streak means you can incur very big losses. And note this, when you lose money and you want to break even to get back to the initial amount you had, percentage wise you need to make a lot more than the amount you lost. So for example, if you have $2,000 and let's say you lose 50% of it, so you lose $1,000 and now you're only left with $1,000. With this $1,000, even if you make back 50%, which is the percent that you lost, you don't get back to $2,000 because 50% of $1,000 is only $500. In order to get back to $2,000, you need to make 100% on your remaining $1,000, which will give you $1,000 so you can get back to your initial amount of $2,000. In order to help you get a better picture, here is a table illustrating this to you. In this column is the percentage of your capital that you are risking on every trade. And in this column, it is the amount of consecutive losses that you have in a row, which is set at 5 for this example. Here shows your total losses, which is calculated by your risk per trade multiplying by your consecutive losses. So you can see when you risk 2% of your capital on every trade, and with 5 consecutive losses, when you lose 10% and you want to break even, you have to make 11.1% on your remaining 90%. And if you lose 20%, you have to make 25% on your remaining amount to break even. So you can see just by increasing your risk slightly to 6% a trade, and if you suffer 5 consecutive losses, you have to make an astonishing 42.8% on your remaining amount just to break even and get back your initial amount. By not controlling your risk, a string of high losses will make it very difficult for you to protect your capital. This is why you can see managing your risk is crucial, especially for people using a technical strategy, because they will trade on a much more frequent basis compared to those using a fundamental strategy.